In Fiji, happiness comes naturally. Whether you're looking for a decadent resort, a family getaway or backpacker adventure, choosing the best island in Fiji for you is an intimidating endeavor. Out of 333 islands in the archipelago, these are the ones you might want to add to your itinerary. Fiji's beaches are for more than sinking your toes in the sand and getting a nice tan. Its best beaches compete in beauty with the Seussian array of marine life below the water's surface and the candy-colored coral reefs. Fiji is known as the soft coral capital of the world, so an underwater adventure should be high on your to-do list when visiting Fiji. For genuine thrill seekers, Fiji is also an amazing place to go whitewater rafting. Fiji boasts two delicious cuisines, indigenous Fijian, which is packed full of seafood and is light on spice, so great for the little ones, and Fijian Indian, which features plenty of rice, spice, and chili dishes, for those with adventurous taste buds. Fresh fruit like pineapple, mangoes, and papaya are also heavenly in this tropical paradise. You'll certainly be struck by the natural beauty of the Fijian Islands. From stunning waterfalls and pristine waters, to vibrant sea life and long stretches of sandy beaches, there's so much to take in.